What is up, Legends? Fox Legend here, and today is going to be another challenge. My video just posted, so another shout out to Kara Crowley. I know she probably didn't want one, but still. But now, here's the challenge. It's shoot yourself 5 times in the leg challenge. I just now came up with it. I might as well do it since I had already made one video about this already, about me shooting it, or making it at least. So I'm gonna set things up so you can see me, and I'll get started, I guess. We're gonna find a spot. I found a spot. So we're gonna do it. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there you go. I shot myself 5 times in the leg. So I'm gonna pause it and let y'all see it. Okay, we're here. I'm gonna roll up my legs and let y'all see them. Now, let's see. 1 under my thumb. 2, 3. It didn't. Let's see. I got a 3 that was really good. Another one just like skimmed it, I guess. That one right there on my right leg is the worstest one. But, you know, you gotta do stupid things when you get depressed. So, you know. So, I'm going to shoot myself 2 more times since the other 2 wasn't good. So, here we go. Okay, I found another spot that's a little bit better, but if you guys fall, it's not my fault. I mean, technically it is, but still. Alright, 2, that's 3 that worked really, really good. So here we go. That one hurt. Oh my god. Let's see. Let's do it on this thing. Oh, that wasn't good. Shoot directly at my leg. There you guys go. That's what you do when you get depressed, I guess. So, yeah. I ain't gonna do it no more. That freaking hurt. I'm done. Feel a lot better. I feel relieved. So, I'm gonna lift up my pant legs and let y'all see them again. Okay, I found 2 worst ones now that hurt. Okay, there's 1 that really didn't hurt. 2, 3, 4. I don't know where the 5th one went. They freaking hurt though. Oh, I done shot myself twice. So 1 and 2. So I got 2 that was pretty bad. So guys, I hope you liked today's challenge. If you did, I surely did. I'm happy. I'm a little bit better. Not happy, but I'm feeling a little bit better. If you did, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And please let me know in the comments if you did like this challenge. So, yeah. So that is it for today, hopefully. If not, I'll make another one, I guess. So, yeah. So, if you liked today's video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you on the next one.